My Instant Pod coffee maker has started signaling that it is time to be descaled. That's what these two flashing lights here on the top mean. They just, after 300 uses, it says it will start flashing that to remind you to descale the machine. So I pulled out my handy dandy manual and I'm going to follow the directions here, bring you guys along. I'm going to be using the citric acid option, 3 parts citric acid to 100 parts water. So according to my calculations, that's about 1/4 of a cup of citric acid and about to the max line in water for the reservoir. So I'm going to run that through once and then run an entire thing of clean water through a second time, and then it should be good to go. Just going to stir this until it dissolves. This is the kind of citric acid I'm using. It's just left over from Christmas candy at Christmas time, but it works great for cleaning as well. And if you use only 1/4 of a cup every time, this will last quite a while. I will link this down in the description. That is placed on there. I'm gonna remove my drip tray so I can set my jar here. To get it to go through the cleaning cycle, it says you're supposed to hold down the 10 and 12 ounce buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. So let's see if we can do that. There it goes. So I imagine this is going to take a little bit of time. Since my container's not big enough, I'm gonna switch out jars here. It kind of pauses, so I just slide the new one in there. So close. Okay, that means it's done. One more time. These buttons are so finicky. Okay. Wait, nope, that didn't do it. It's making me a cup of coffee. All right. There we go. That did it. Second cycle finished and I timed it, and each cycle took a little over 12 minutes. So the whole process from start to finish was done in less than 30 minutes. And now it is ready for me to fill up with fresh water again, and it's ready to brew coffee or espresso. That's it for descaling the Instant Pod coffee maker. I'll see you guys again in the next video.